Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can change country location on Temu. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you didn't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Temu. Now press enter in the keyboard. The search results will be shown to you. Just click on the first search result, that is Temu official website. When you click on there, Temu official website will be shown to you. And when you are inside this interface, you just have to look in the top right and side. There is a order and account button. Just click on order and account button. Firstly, you need to sign in as well. I will sign in, and when I sign in, I'll be able to access the orders and account interface. So as you can see, I have currently signed in into Temu. Now I will just click on the orders and account button, and another interface will be shown right in front of me. Now I just have to scroll down a little bit and look in the left hand side until I see country and region. So I'll just click on that section. As you can see, there is country/region option. So when you click there, there are different countries. You just have to select the country that you want to change to. And when you click on that certain country, your location will be changed in Temu website. So this is how you can easily change country location on Temu. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.